Hey there! Welcome to this explainer. I am so glad you're here. Today, I'm going to be your supportive guide, kind of like a mentor, helping you demystify your menstrual cycle. Puberty brings a whole lot of changes, and it's completely normal if those changes make you feel a little anxious or overwhelmed. We've all been there, but you don't have to figure it out alone. Together, we're going to break down exactly what's happening so you can confidently navigate your growing body. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with welcome to the club, then look at what is actually normal, move into staying clean and safe, pack your ultimate period kit, and wrap up with you've got this. We're taking this step by step. All right, section 1, welcome to the club, normalizing the period experience. Let's just do a quick vibe check on what it actually means to start menstruating. Now, I want you to remember this empowering truth right from the start. It is completely, absolutely normal to feel anxious about leaks or body changes, especially when you're just sitting there in class. But there is nothing weird, gross, or shameful about having your period. Full stop. It's just a natural, healthy sign that your body is working exactly like it should. Let's look at the biology for a second. Think of your period as your body's natural biological clock. Basically, each month, your uterus builds up this soft lining, and if there's no pregnancy, well, that lining just safely leaves the body. That's your period. It's literally just your body doing exactly what it was designed to do. Okay, here's a fact that usually blows people's minds. While it might occasionally look like a massive amount of blood, especially when you're changing a pad, the average period only produces about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fluid in total over the entire cycle. Crazy, right? It's actually way less than your anxiety might make you think. Moving into section 2, what is actually normal? Decoding your body's signals. Because honestly, knowing what to expect is the absolute best way to quiet that period anxiety. So there's a pretty clear line between the standard puberty ride and actual warning signs. It is totally normal to experience things like mild cramps, mood swings, acne, uneven breast growth, and irregular cycles. That's just par for the course. But there are concrete reasons you'd want to chat with a doctor. Things like if your bleeding lasts over 7 days, if you have severe pain that literally stops you from going to school, or if you haven't gotten your period by age 15. Knowing this just gives you the power to advocate for yourself. And hey, speaking of irregular cycles, if your period feels incredibly unpredictable right now, please don't worry. The first 2 years are a massive learning curve. Your brain and your ovaries are basically just learning how to talk to each other. Because of this, having cycles that range anywhere from 21 to 45 days is completely 100% normal as your body finds its rhythm. Now, I have a question for you. How long is too long to wear a pad? Take a quick second to guess. Think about what you might have heard from friends or older siblings. Knowing the answer to this is actually the key to our next topic. Which brings us to section 3, staying clean and safe. Best practices for menstrual hygiene. Let's go over how to use products safely and prevent infections. All right, here are the exact time frames you should follow to stay fresh and safe. For pads, you're going to want to change them every 4 to 6 hours. Tampons are also 4 to 6 hours, but, and this is super important, never leave one in for more than 8 hours. Menstrual cups should be emptied every 4 to 6 hours, and panty liners every 3 to 5 hours. Sticking to this schedule prevents bacterial buildup, since it's a warm, humid environment down there. So, the crucial point here is to always follow these 3 specific steps, especially when you're using internal products like tampons or cups. Step 1, wash your hands thoroughly before inserting and after removing. Step 2, always use the lowest absorbency you need for your flow. And step 3, try to alternate with pads, maybe by wearing a pad overnight. This simple routine safely minimizes your risk of toxic shock syndrome and just keeps you healthy. Next up is section 4, your ultimate period kit. The secret weapon for school. Let's talk about how to completely erase period anxiety when you're away from home. Your ultimate school survival kit should include a mix of pads or tampons in different absorbencies, a spare pair of dark underwear, just in case of a leak, some travel baby wipes for quick cleanups, and a small snack or maybe some pain relief if your school allows it. You just pack all of this into a small, discreet pouch. It ensures you are never caught off guard in the middle of a busy school day. Actually, here's a great pro tip for you. Split your supplies. Keep a larger, complete kit at home where you have everything you could possibly need, and just carry that smaller, discreet emergency pouch in your school bag or your locker. By preparing like this, you completely remove the fear of the unknown. You take total control of the situation. Finally, we are at section 5. You've got this. Empowering your journey. I want to leave you with some powerful tools to really build up your confidence. One of the absolute best things you can do is track your cycle. Tracking transforms your period from something that just, randomly happens to you into a really powerful tool for self-advocacy. By noting down dates and feelings, you can start to predict and prepare for your cycle, understand your unique mood patterns, anticipate physical symptoms like headaches or cramps, and most importantly, you can share concrete data with your doctor if you ever need to. And remember, managing your period is a skill, and practice makes perfect. Take your time testing different products, maybe a new absorbency pad or a menstrual cup, in the comfort of your own home. You can even rehearse what to say if you need a bathroom pass or need to ask for help from the school nurse. Just give yourself some grace as you figure out what makes you feel the most comfortable. Seriously, there is no one right way to do this. I really hope this explainer has shown you that you absolutely have the knowledge and the power to handle this gracefully. Your period isn't a burden, it is a vital sign of health. So how will you use this toolkit to start working with your body's natural rhythm today? Stay curious, keep tracking, and embrace your incredible growing body. You've totally got this.